Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel. Quantitative aptitude in CA foundation can seem tricky, but with the right strategy you can ace it with ease. In today's video I am going to share a 10-step strategy to crack quantitative aptitude in your CA foundation exams. Whether you are struggling with formulas or speed, these tips will help you boost your performance and approach the exam with confidence. So let's dive into it. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. CA Foundation Paper 3 Quantitative Aptitude requires a well-structured approach, combining conceptual understanding, regular practice, and smart exam strategies. Here are some tips to help you excel in the exam. Step number 1. Understand the syllabus of quantitative aptitude thoroughly. So the subject quantitative aptitude is for 100 marks and this is divided into the following three sections. Business mathematics, which is for 40 marks, logical reasoning is for 20 marks, and statistics is for 40 marks. Now let's see the breakup of each of these sections. So the first section is business mathematics, which is for 40 marks. So under this section, the chapter which carries the highest weightage is Mathematics of Finance, which is for 14 marks. And then we have the rest of the chapters. That is equations. You can see here it's for 5 marks. Then sets, relations, function, basics of limits and continuity. This is for 4 marks. Next, permutations and combinations, which is for 4 marks. Next, we have ratios, proportions, indices, and logarithms. This is for 5 marks. Then you can see arithmetic and geometric progressions, which is for 4 marks. Then you have linear inequality, which is for 1 mark. And then you have application of differential and integral calculus, which is for 3 marks. Next, we have logical reasoning, which is for 20 marks. And there are 4 sections under this. Each of the section is for 5 marks. So first one is number series, coding, decoding and odd man out. Next we have direction tests. Next seating arrangements and blood relations. The next section is statistics, which is for 40 marks. In statistics, the chapter carrying the highest weightage is measures of central tendency and dispersion. Then we have the other chapters, that is statistical description of data and sampling, which is for 5 marks. Correlation and regression, which is for 5 marks. Then index numbers, probability and theoretical distributions. These are also for 5 marks each. It is important to understand the syllabus thoroughly and also understand which all chapters carry highest weightage, so that while revising you can concentrate first on those chapters which carry highest weightage. Step number 2. Master the basic mathematics and statistics formulas of your foundation syllabus. Strengthen your understanding of fundamental concepts in each topics of business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. Ensure you are clear on basic mathematical and statistical formulas. Prepare your own notes. Step number 3. Practice regularly. Solve sample question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Practice all examples given in the study material. Practice mock test papers of ICI under the exam time conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Step number 4. Time management. Allocate specific time to each section during practice and stick to it. Step number 5. Prioritize topics based on your strength and weightage they carry in the exam. So as we previously discussed when we were seeing the syllabus, the chapters which contain highest weightage must be revised first during the exams, and then later on you can revise the other topics. Prioritize studying topics that have consistently carried more weightage in the past exams. Step number 6. Learn shortcuts and tricks. For quantitative aptitude, learn shortcuts and mental math techniques to save time. Step number 7. Revise regularly and check your answers. Regular revision is crucial to retain concepts and formulas. Create concise notes and flashcards for quick revision. Step number 8. Use ICAI study material. Use ICI study material as your primary resource and quick reference books. For logical reasoning, practice from variety of sources to cover different type of problems. Step number 9. Watch regularly ICI's online live sections and mentoring sessions. Keep up with your study routine and don't forget to review ICI's online sessions and mentoring programs as they can provide additional insight and guidance. Step number 10. Stay positive and manage stress. Maintain a positive attitude towards your preparation. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to stay calm during the exam. Quantitative aptitude is a crucial and scoring paper in the CA Foundation course. To excel in this paper, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the concept, regular practice, and a disciplined study routine. By following tips such as focusing on conceptual clarity, practicing a variety of problems, managing time effectively during the exam, and staying consistent with your preparation, you'll be well prepared to crack the CA Foundation Paper 3 Quantitative Aptitude. That's it for today, Future CS. I hope this 10-step strategy helps you conquer quantitative aptitude and ace those exams. Remember, consistent practice and smart study techniques are the key to success. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. All the best for your exams. I will see you all in the next video.